Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to another video. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a floor needle. You can either do it on pillows or you can either do it on the ground. But for beginners, I'm going to show it with some cushions or a mattress. You can use anything to do the floor needle. You can even touch the whole thing without holding it. You can use it without holding it. You can do it chaser, anything. But before you get this video, remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn on the notification bell in 5 seconds. You have to press all those buttons with your pinky finger. Are you ready? In 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you win? Good job everybody. Just keep subscribing and it will be good for me. Now let's get started. First, let's warm up before doing anything else. For warm-up stretches, you can either do jumping jacks. You can either do push-ups. You can either do push-ups or you can just stretch. You can do anything that you want. You can even get it near. You can even touch your toes. Okay, it's an upper bike stretch. Now let's get to this video. Alright guys, first I'm going to show it on this, whatever this is called. Okay, so for a floor needle, you need to hold both one of your legs. Like I hold, you can either hold your good leg, you can either hold your good leg or your bad leg. Okay, see on this way because then you can watch me really nice. This is my bad foot. This one is not good. This one is my good foot. You can either do this, just really easy. You can either run to yourself or just kick up into that. You hold one of your legs and then you just go into the stretch. You can either straighten it or you can either bend it. But straighten one is a real one. And if you want to do it on the ground, you can hold both of your legs. You can either hold one leg, pull it to the side, and just like that. You can even do half, or you can do a seal stretch. You can do a fresh. Really easy. You can do any stretch before doing anything. But for floor needles, you can either first, for beginners, you need to start on a pillow or mattress, anything. But who already knows how to do a little bit of the stretches, you can use only one pillow to do it. Kick one leg up and then put it to the side and just make a perfect angle, like a two-sided angle. And you can either do it on the ground. Whoever is not that flexible, they can try it on any mattress or any pillow. You can use anything. Whoever is a little flexible, use the ground. But just to make sure it hurts you can't breathe when you do it. So just use a pillow to do it so you can do it properly. And don't just start from the ground. For beginners, I recommend this. Or anything like pillow, mattress, anything on even a bed. You can do anything, any chain stand or floor needle that you do. You need to do it for beginners on the mattress or on the pillows. But who is a flexible girl, they can do it down, but it's hard for you to breathe. So you need to do that. You need to put a pillow down like this one. It's really thin. You can just lay down on your back and you can just kick up into it. That way you can breathe also. So you can even use this pillow or you can use this pillow. Just use any pillow who is a flexible girl. Just use this brown one so you can breathe it down. It's really thin, you don't need anything. Your floor needle will be perfect. You can either do it on mattresses, anything guys. Alright? So as I told, the floor needle is just like the headstand and the elbow set. You just need to kick up, but you have to kick up from the back and bring them onto your front. Just kick it over on your head. It's far, far away. You can just lay down on your back, straight. Okay? Then you pick one foot and then you take one hand, take it to the side. Remember, stop your breath if you're doing on this because you can breathe. If you fall, there's no problem. Just don't be disappointed with yourself. Some people are really good at balance, but some people are not. So don't be disappointed. Just keep trying, and you will one day succeed. Don't fall. It's okay. If you want to fall, you can fall as many times. Alright guys, so as the end of my video, remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn on notification bell. See you in the next video.